He still has shells. Let me have a look at my transfers. In do I have Jack Moore? No, because he still says he's at shells. Huh. Okay. I need to register Shumi. Huh, okay. So Jack Moylan is a done deal. But where is he? It's the question. That's what I want to fucking know.
Can we check your under 21s, maybe?
No, because it still says shells on his player profile. He's not at my club yet.
No. Check your
Squad
transfers. It should tell you when he's due in.
registration. Who do I take out? Yeah, I'll take out Liam Walsh.
Excuse me.
Jack Moylan. Swansea under 21s.
There you go
Okay.
now.
Oh, that's right. I loaned them back, didn't I?
Well, there's your answer.
Did I loan them? I must have loaned them back. Yeah, I loaned them back for this season. Fair.
And the mystery has been solved.
Yeah, I did wonder. Was it the fuck? Go on, the fucking Morgan. Ivan Morgan has won the outstanding performance in the English Under 18 Professional Development League. Player of the month. Go on.
Good man.
Good lad. He's a potential 5-star.
Hmm. Okay.
Dundee wants St. George Log. You should have let him go, except if he's your number one, don't obviously. But
He is my number one now, yeah. So
there you go. Yeah,
okay, so
exactly. Fuck the
monthly
board.
review. B from the board and A plus from the supporters.
I have a C plus on the board and a B minus from the supporters because the board are arseholes.
Oh, pressure.
Pressure me bollocks to go fuck off the board. Oh, Man City beat Brentford in the semi-final, second leg.
Oh God, fuck
They got
me.
through on
Even in the video game, I just load them. Like,
yeah.
oh, shut up. Like,
Yep.
shut up.
Hope you did. Is Andrew Moran on loan at Hibs? Oh, they
Ah,
rejected my increase in wages. They rejected my increase in transfer budget. No problem, lads. Don't expect me to fucking work miracles.
as I said, there's only so much you can do.
Right. Let's fucking go.
Indeed. God, it
Joel
feels
at
so good.
Bodier has a 9.3 in training. Woo!
Yeah, Billy Mitchell, 9.1. I will say one thing with the lads, they train like Millwall lads, they train really, really well. Like overall, their standards are very, very high, which I'm very happy with.
Also, Watford just got beaten, so that's good for us. West Brom just beat Watford.
No, I didn't even notice that.
Yep.
Is it?
So
Yeah, I
we're
suppose it is
level on
actually. Yeah.
points, but your goal difference is better.
Yeah, I have a big there's a big Millwall shaped hole in your goal difference. Okay, what have we got? Okay, right. I've got two players back in full training, which is great. And Tyler Bury has signed a new 2-year contract.
Happy days.
This has been a good week for Millwall. Okay.
Yep. Shumi and Zanka in centre halves. That's about it. Manning. Kevin Nisbet has not been fucking wasted down there. Get out of there. Don't want you over Femi. You should have been fucking sold. You get rid of him for trade.
Okay, right. Let's start off again. So we want long and goal. Getting back. Can we pick that Namara? Is he fit? Yes, he's fit. Keeper. That's well. And who's my best bet at the moment for left back? So answer that one.
I'm gonna start Nisbet against Middlesbrough.
I'm going to start in Cham against Stoke.
Good idea.
I'm literally playing all of my fucking all of my loanees in this one.
Yep, I'm ready.
No, except for Shackleton. Shackleton isn't playing, but forgive me, everyone, if you heard any kind of interference on my microphone because my dog is snoring her little head off underneath me right here.
Quite all right. Can't hear a thing.
Good. Now, and yeah, I think they're good subs. I think. Yeah, let's go with that. Okay. Be intrigued to see now how Cham fits in the midfield. I have him playing as my 8 in this one. So so the way my midfield works, I have basically everyone doing different jobs. Yeah. So he's kind of the actual, if you like, he's the deep line 10 in the team.
Right.
And Mitchell is basically the box to box.
Right.
So let's give.
I'm about to kick off. The Middlesbrough are 4th on 54 points. It's going to be a tough game.
Right. So last time we played Stoke, they were bottom of the table, and Alex Neil was doing an absolute hames with them. And now they're riding high with Matthew Etherington. So let's see. He seems to be a 4-4-2 kind of guy, back to belt and braces. Perhaps a school of Dyche, maybe. They're still struggling, has to be said, because they're their second bottom, but they gave us a very, very good game last time, and that was at home. So we'll see what it's like now on a wet, windy night here in Stoke.
Kevin Nisbet, 1-0. That's where it started him.
Fucking hell, that was quick.
10 minutes in, 1-0 to Swansea.
Happy days.
Get on the Nisbet. Boom. It'll be 1-0 to Swansea. And that's about it. Injured. Fantastic. Have I got any right backs? Probably not. I've got all I can use. That's not good. Foot injury. Fuck.
Oh dear.
Yeah, Latabodier is injured, which means he's going to be out for at least 6 to 8 weeks, I'd say.
Well, it's been very quiet in this half so far, anyway. Very little to talk about.
Looks like Middlesbrough are playing a 6-3-1, nearly.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, why are they so defensive? Oh, here we go. Highlight from Middlesbrough.
I'd welcome a highlight right now, to be honest with you. I've got fucking nothing to talk about.
Nothing happening now.
Oh, hello. Highlights. Starting with Stoke here. We're straight out to Cooper. Billy Mitchell is countering. Strange ball out to the flank. We still have it though.
Off you go, Whitaker.
Oh, ball in. Who's that to? Nobody, apparently.
Is that to? Nobody.
No one.
Oh, good
And
ball
now
down to
Stoke are
Whitaker.
countering. Oh, this is actually a good move from Stoke, you know. Pushing
Oh,
wide. Oh, oh, Jesus. That should have been 1-0 Stoke. Should have 1-0 Stoke, but Powell missed his header completely. Like he couldn't have actually hit, he couldn't have headed it worse.
good ball down the line. Come on, Brady. In you get. No. Shit. Ball in as well. This highlight's still going. The one I was just telling you about.
Fucking hell.
Still a long ass highlight. Come on, blow the whistle, ref.
Okay. Half time, 0-0 between us and Stoke.
Big save there from Bender. Huge save. And that's half time. 1-0 to Swansea. Do I need any? I don't think I need any changes. Could move Ollie Cooper out to the left. Maybe William Cullen in the middle. Give it to the 65th minute, maybe. Yeah, I'll give it a couple more minutes.
Yeah, I think I'll have to rest SA in a bit because he's starting to come down. We have a highlight right off the bat in the second half.
Nice.
Okay, Clucas for Stoke had a go, but Long's collected it. See now what he does with it. Tweaked up the attack a little bit here, so I normally tend to go for shooting straight instructions, but I'm asking him to go into the box this time.
Mm-hmm.
Or at least that was a suggestion from my coaching staff. Oh, good ball in from Mitchell here. To Vlog's hammer. Oh, he's only fucking buried it. How the fuck did you do that? On his weak foot as well. That is a fucking brilliant goal.
Good lad.
So Mitchell plays the ball literally over the top of the midfield, which is kind of our specialty in a sense. Bloxhammer runs onto it and gets an extra touch, takes him away from goal, and he just lifts it over the keeper as he's diving. Really good goal from Bloxhammer. Like it's actually because the ball takes it away from goal, like, and his touch takes it away from goal as well. That's a fantastic shout. Now, okay, so now question is now, can we keep this up? I am now going to make a change. Because Roman Essay is looking a bit tired. So Tardy Bury is going to come on.
Nisbet has a knee injury. Ollie Cooper out to the left, Liam Cullen through the middle. George Evans will come on for full. He's on a yellow.
Okay, another highlight here. With a head tennis in the middle of the pitch. Oh, another ball from Billy Mitchell. And he's just played in Bury here. Oh, Jesus. That was harder to miss. It's a corner anyway. Should have played in Logshammer, but he didn't. But we still have the corner though.
Good.
One is in and keepers.
Oh no, Cameron Archer's in here. Big save again by Bender. Holy shit. Two massive saves that should have been goals. Well done, Bender. Top lad. Very 75th minute. Jorgensen. Come off.
Okay, I'm taking a big risk and I'm taking Jay Cooper off because he's starting to look a bit leggy.
Sorry, going on a little bit of a run here.
How did you get that ball? Okay, that was a bit strange.
2-0. Oh, what a howler. The keeper passed out from the back of it straight to Joel Perot. And he's put it in
Oh,
at 82 minutes, 2-0. Get in there,
that's
Swansea.
that's what you want to see.
What a howler, Zach Steffen. Actually, it was Howson. Johnny Howson put it was passed it to Darlene and it just went, nope, I'll take that. Cheers. Thought it was Zach Steffen. No.
Jesus. Okay. Now for my last changes.
It's the best last name for a footballer ever, Dick Steele.
I believe it's around Dick Steele.
Dijk Steele.
Steele.
Deek Steele. Deek Steele.
Balls of steel.
Or Dyke Steele, if you want to get Dutch on it. But
I want to get complicated about these things.
oh, we've got 5 forward, they've got 3 back. Oh, it's 3. Liam Cullen. What a goal. What a ball in from Manning as well. Whips it in on his left foot on the volley. Back at the net. 3-0 Swansea. Get in there. Sarnola hooves to the other side of the pitch. Manning's right there. Cross it in. First time his left foot. Liam Cullen gets front of his man. Past Stefan. 3-0 Swansea. That'll do.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Still 1-0 here. A lot of my lads are starting to ail, so I've had to make some very early substitutions. Treat them,
Full time.
treat them in the defense. So let's see how this goes. I would feel a lot more comfortable if Bury had put that other chance away, but we're still doing quite well, XG wise and chances wise. Certainly a better team, but we've been on this road before with games like this where we should be beaten. So
I'm just tuning into your game now.
I see. Thank you for joining us.
Yeah. 79 minutes gone.
Mm.
Millwall 1, Stoke 0. Ooh, it's quiet.
Yeah, right. I won't complain about that. Stoke down to 10 men now because Brown's gone off injured.
Okay.
We have a highlight.
Right. Highlight for Stoke. That's pissed it down. Of course it is. It's Stoke.
It is Stoke, to be fair. Okay.
Fox, Patterson. Who's that to? The fuck?
Good question. It's the keeper. It's our keeper anyway. That's for sure.
Stupid.
Okay. Oh, ball from the. I was hoping the champ would have got Bury there, but
Honeyman. Wallace. This
still
should be
gone
2-0.
here.
This should be 2-0, surely. Surely that's 2-0. Come on, cross it in, Bury. Pull back. Honeyman.
Hit our own player.
Come on. Get it in the net, man.
Oh,
You had 4 options in the box there to make
oh,
it fucking 2-0.
that's frustrating. That's
Keep
frustrating.
scoring them.
Very similar to the other chance where the easiest thing, the best thing for Bury to have done was to cross it in, but he took the shot and went there for a corner. And then that one there, he just held on the ball too long. But look, we held on. I'm happy out. I'm
That's 3
happy out.
points.
That's it. Exactly. No complaints here. Everyone's happy. But compliments to has to be
We
Billy
were the
Mitchell.
only we were the only 2 games on today, by the way.
Where are we? That's actually quite surprising.
I think so.
Hmm.
Hmm. They're gone.
Okay, right. Let's get on with it. Let's get on with it then. So if we were indeed the only two on tonight, actually no, you are very incorrect there, Dave. We weren't the only two on tonight. So the results are we have a 3-1 win for Birmingham against Blackpool that keeps them fifth. Sunderland beating Bristol in the mid-table. Cardiff beating Blackburn to keep pace with us. They're ninth at the minute. Coventry beating Sheffield 2-0. Luton held by Huddersfield 1-all. That's big. That's a big deal. QPR beating Norwich 2-0. That's a bit of a surprise as well. Wigan smashed Reading 4-1. 3-4 between Rotherham and Hull. And then the late kickoff is Burnley Preston. So that leaves us then with our post-match pressers. So I'll start off with you, Dave.
I'm still 10th.
Well, Dave, it was an exhibition of attacking foray from your team tonight and a satisfactory win to compound with what has been a very good week for you at the club, but obviously marred by the injury to Kevin Nesbitt. What can you tell us about his injury?
It's not too bad. It's not as bad as we thought, first off. I think Lata Bodier's is worse. He's got about 6 to 8 weeks on the sidelines, but Kevin's just felt his knee a little bit. He's felt the twinge, so we took him off as a precaution. He scored the first goal, which is excellent. Overall, I thought we were absolutely fantastic today. Middlesbrough are top 4 for a reason. They're up there. We have to keep the pressure on all the teams above us. There's we took the win today, but we're still sitting in the same position we were in. That's how tight this league is at the moment. So we've got 3 games in 7 or 8 days, I think. So as quick as this one has finished, we're going to Tuesday now. It'll come quick enough, and then straight on to Saturday again. So we've got Preston next, and today's win will be quickly in the backs of the minds of all these players. And yeah, we're ready to go again.
Okay, good stuff. Thank you very much.
Jonathan, laboured victory, but nonetheless didn't seem troubled at all throughout the game. He seemed pretty. Could have been 2, could have been 3. What's your take on that?
Yeah, no, it was a good performance from the guys. I think it was a bit of a change of the team, obviously because we have so many games coming up in the next few weeks, and so we have to kind of keep things fresh and rotated. With a few lads back from injury as well, so it was good for them to get some minutes back on the board, get everyone's fitness back. Yeah, overall, good day in the office. I suppose like the scoreline doesn't really reflect the performance in that sense. I think we could have had 2 or 3, but we were a bit wasteful in the attacking third. But at least the guys defended very well. I can't really complain about our defensive performance. We were very, very good. We try to keep Stoke's chances to a low quality, and that's exactly what they did. And I think the midfield molded quite well. It was a very new midfield, and those 3 lads never played together since. Obviously, with Olivier coming in a couple of days ago, it was obviously a bit new for him, but I think he started in quite well for his first day, and it's something to build on then for the rest of the team. But yeah, no, it was a good day in the office. It was an important win. I think as goes without saying, every game from now on is going to be important, but you have to put these kind of games away, especially against teams that are fighting for their lives in the relegation battle. So yeah, good day in the office for us, good away win, and we'll go again now next week against Bristol.
Thank you very much. And that, by the way, is our first win in 7 games.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I just realized that. Fuck.
That's kind of insane, I'll be honest with you.
First win in 7 games.
Yeah.
And it was a fucking 3-0 hammering of Middlesbrough.
Hey, look, listen, that's good. That's good points taken off the playoff fellas, because overall it wasn't the best match day for the playoff boys, because as you say, Watford got held by Bromley, and Birmingham are the only ones that actually won in that set. So like Burnley drew, they got held by Preston, Borough lost, Watford drew, Birmingham won, Luton got held as well. So that actually worked out really well for us,
Yeah, well, Preston are currently 20th. And Luton are above both of us, out just 1 place outside playoffs. There's 4 teams 3 points off 6th spot.
That's insane.
That's tight as fuck.
Mm,
Outside the playoffs, never mind trying to get in there. I remember when I was in there.
I remember nostalgia.
So Latabode is out 4 weeks. Nisbet's out for up to 3. Fuck me.
I'm just hoping for just like no injuries for a change. That'd be great. Just
That'd be fucking ideal, mate. That'd be absolutely
that'd be
ideal.
great. I dream. I live for it. I live for this sort of idea. And this Nicholas Davies kid is doing really fucking good in our under 18s. Like he's putting away goals every fucking week.
Oh, there's another manager gone.
No, not Paul
Yeah,
Ince.
Paul Ince has been
I'm just shocked.
sacked.
Oh no. Anyway.
Sacked, gone. See you later.
Paul Ince.
Uh, right, big
Right.
changes to the starting 11 for this.
Yeah, I'm taking a few fitness checks on a few people anyway. But on the plus side, I kind of like the people I took off were like for like starters as well. So it's actually kind of worked out relatively well. But I kind of I tend not to put that cart before the horse until I actually know on the day what kind of players I have.
Yeah, true. Right, here we go. Ston North End. 20th.
I also noticed there while we had a bit of downtime that Vlogshammer is currently in for the championship boots. He's up with Lyle Foster and what was his name? Bamba, I think it is for Cardiff.
Yeah. He's up there with Sorry Kaba and Lyle Foster.
Bamba, that's who it is. So
There we
yeah.
go.
Okay, there's the early kickoff. Holy shit, there's an upset happening at the moment, Dave. Huddersfield are beating QPR 1-0 at the moment.
Get them out of the playoffs. Should be in there anyway.
Oh, here's the thing, like
Right. Get the team sorted here. Let's have a look.
right, let's start again. Sticking with Long. Shackleton's going to start this time. On right back. Cooper and Cresswell again. They're looking a bit worse for wear. Excuse me. I'll put Wallace in at left back today.
Yeah, I'm gonna put Adaramola in there at left back. Gonna put Mabude there. Liam Cullen. Actually, Ollie Cooper's going out on the left this time. Cullen will come through the middle. Robbie Brady's been rested. Obafemi, Manning, Whitaker, Darling. Shit, what a bench that is. Mengi's been playing in the under 21s. Right, submit that team.
Okay. Yeah, I think I'll roll with that. That was a couple of lads just haven't quite recovered from the last game, so give them a break. As I said, matches are a bit frantic for the time being.
Right, Preston North End against Swansea at home. We are kicked off already. Here we go.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
What's this Bristol team like? This is a post Nigel Pearson team. Ooh, we're both lining up the same way. 4-3-3. Time for a Gagan Preston fucking derby. Let's do it.
Preston 1-0 inside 8 minutes.
Oh, you're fucking joking me.
Nope.
Oh my god. That's unreal. Okay, there's been absolutely nothing so far in the first 10 minutes. Oh, hello. No, we have a highlight. Shut my mouth. Chance for Bristol, actually. Is it? So that's the ball anyway. Well, that was a nothing header in the end. So we're okay.
Been all fucking Preston highlights, isn't it?
Okay, you have a highlight here.
All Preston highlights. I haven't had a single fucking one.
This one's another Bristol bit of possession. There's some nice bit in the middle of the field, to be fair. Oh, great tackle from Wallace. All right, what can we do with this now?
Woodall, Joe Allen. Get in there, lad. First goal of the season.
Well, it's Javi. Oh, Shackleton got to it. Okay. This might go. This might work, you know. Come on, Bury. Do something with this. Whipped in. Oh, it's an own goal. I'll take it. It's gonna go to Fleming, but we are one up. It looked like an own goal to me, I'll be honest with you, but and it could be offside. Let me see. There's a bit of a head tennis. No, it's a goal. Well and truly a goal. So Shackleton rescued the ball out from across. He does a 1-2 with Bury. Shackleton whips it back in. And I'm fairly sure that went off the Bristol centre back, but hey, Fleming's gonna claim it, so I say let him.
Cool.
But that's good. We're open away now.
Put a Preston fucking highlight.
Now let's see if we can keep this lead. All the lads are performing very well, to be fair. Like I can't have any complaints about them.
Right, so look, Swansea
Hey,
highlight.
throw in. Oh, well done, Saville.
Mabude's in.
Shackleton.
Mabude's in. And he's fuck off, man. That literally just passed to the fucking goalkeeper. Hate that mechanic in this game.
Bit of a ding dong in the between us here now, between Millwall and Bristol. Okay, Bury's going to chase this. Oh, it's a chance. Oh, it's up the post. I don't believe it. He pinched the ball of Pring right at the goal mouth, and he hits it first time, and it bounced off the post and off a Bristol centre back for a corner.
Nice.
And it's still a highlight, which I'm slightly worried by.
Sornola, Allen, in for Whitaker.
And Jake Cooper went for a punt from outside the box. I was like, fuck, he's the new captain. He can do whatever he wants.
Penalty Swansea. Sure pull. Penalty Swansea. Liam Cullen. And it's saved.
Oh, mate. Oh, mate.
Fuck's sake, man.
That's unreal.
Nah, it's over. Yeah, 1-1.
Full time.
Yeah. Bullshit, man. Fucking terrible result. Fucking shite result. Should be fucking hammering them at 20th in the fucking table.
Hmm.
2 points dropped as far as I'm concerned.
Well, now it's up to me to try and keep this tight between ourselves and Bristol. Because we've had a game, again, much like the Stoke game, it's on a bit of a knife edge. Okay, so Fleming's going to come off here for Bradshaw. Yeah, maybe a couple of subs. So, who have we got here? Joe, get George from on for Saville. Start up for Wallace. And I think we're gonna take Vlog's hammer off for Mason Bennett.
No,
Okay, right. Just Vlog's hammer is not quite his day, but so I'd rather keep his legs, keep him fresh.